The spark of change, tidying our planet one bottle at a time. Plastic bottles are here, they are all around us. They can make homes messy, they fill our rubbish bins. Our planet can feel untidy. This can make us feel sad. We see them in parks and also by the sea. It is a big problem, a real big problem, but wait, a happy thought. Can these bottles spark joy? Can they have a new life? Yes, we can transform them. We make something lovely. This is a happy thought, like tidying our world, one bottle at a time. This brings a true smile, a joy for your heart. Imagine a green plant growing in a bottle right in your own home. This is hydroponics. Plants grow in water, not in messy soil. It is a clean way, it is a clever way, it feels very special. And so very neat. We turn old bottles into lovely new planters. A simple, joyful change. It makes a big difference. It brings life to your kitchen, fresh herbs for your meals. Let us start this journey. A happy green journey. It will be wonderful, such a good feeling. Gathering joyful materials, preparing for a green transformation. First, gather your items. These are tools for joy. Find empty plastic bottles, so simple to find. Any size can work well, big ones or small ones. Clear bottles are good. You see the roots grow, a new start for them. For this happy task, you also need scissors or a small craft knife. Ask a grown-up for help. Safety is important. Always be gentle. We want happy making. We need some string or a strip of cloth, a bridge for water. This is important too. Now prepare the bottle. Wash it very well. Make it clean and bright, sparkling and ready. It holds new life soon. A happy home for plants. Take off any labels. See its true, clear form. A special space to grow, a happy new purpose. Cut the bottle with care, be careful when cutting, 1/3 from the top. You have two new parts, a top part, a funnel, a bottom part, a cup. They work well together. Your new planter is made. Clever design by you. It is very clever. Very nurturing new life, simple steps to a hydroponic haven. Take the bottle's top part, turn it upside down. This is a key step. This part holds your plant. Make a small hole in cap or in the bottle neck. Thread your string through or your piece of cloth. This string helps plants drink for your thirsty plant. This string is a wick, like a magic little straw, so clever and simple. It pulls water up gently up to the plant's roots. One end is in water, other end near the plant. Your plant stays watered, a kind way to care. It keeps roots just right. Now place the top part upside down in bottom. Make sure it fits well. The string hangs down low into the bottom part. This holds the water and plant food too. Your planter is ready. It looks so neat now, ready for planting soon. Hydroponic gardening is good. Plants can grow so fast. They need less water here than in garden soil. You grow fresh herbs like basil or mint or small green veggies, fresh food at home. This sparks great joy, so much to enjoy. Blooming with style and purpose, celebrating your creation. Let's make planters stylish. This is fun to do. You can paint the outside, paint the bottom part. Use bright, happy colors or calm, peaceful ones. What colors spark joy? Make your planter unique, a little piece of art, truly your creation. You can tie a ribbon around the bottle's middle or use colorful tape. Make it beautiful. Add small pretty stones inside the water part. This looks very lovely. Keep the water clear, your plant stays happy, healthy and growing well. Making these is lovely. It reduces plastic rubbish. Each bottle used helps, one less in landfill. This helps our earth breathe, a gift to our earth, a small act of kindness. Many small acts help. You help tidy our planet. Feel the good energy. Imagine your home now, filled with little gardens, bringing fresh life inside, tasty herbs for food, pretty green leaves too. More than just gardening, it is living with joy, caring for our world. Well done, joyful you. This is true happiness.